Hi viewers, you may not have heard a lot about sage oil, but sage, or Salvia officinalis, as it's known in the botanical nomenclature system, is a frequently heard name in the world of cosmetics, particularly in the field of skincare. Hundreds of beauty products claim that they contain the oil of sage, which is actually sage essential oil. The process of creating the oil requires distillation of sage leaves. Once enough of the oil has been concentrated, you can reap its benefits. But the benefits of sage are not just limited to cosmetics. When used as an essential oil, sage offers a range of health benefits. In today's video, we'll tell you what these benefits are. From skin benefits, hair benefits, helping your digestion, dental health, to even lowering your blood pressure and many more. Watch until the end to find out all the facts. Number 1. Provides stress relief. Sage essential oil contains calming, sedating esters and alcohols like linalool that offer warm, uplifting, and balancing benefits. A controlled clinical trial concluded that participants who were part of a blended essential oil group showed the greatest improvement in life and sleep quality. The blend was clary sage, lavender, and marjoram oils in a 1:1:1 ratio and used via diffusion for 20 minutes 3 times a week. A finding of mental calm was also reported in another human subjects clinical trial. The study conducted that sage oil demonstrated a calming effect on the limbic system. Just think of it, 1 hour a week to improve sleep and life quality. You already know that better sleep will reduce tension and nagging thoughts that spiral into anxiety. Number 2. Aids digestion. Sage oil is such a versatile oil. It aids digestion by supporting oral hygiene and keeping gas from gathering. These benefits take place because sage oil is made up of compounds that are microbe thwarters and spasm reducers. Your whole being is aided by healthy gums, including your circulation. Sage oil aids in limiting microbes in your mouth, keeping them from getting into the bloodstream and intestines. These nasties can contribute to the inflammation that hardens arteries and harms intestinal lining. These benefits are due to clary sage oil supporting the tone of your gums and membranes in the gastrointestinal or GI tract. Sage oil has esters that give your digestion a boost by stimulating digestive juices and encouraging the elimination of wastes. So, let sage oil support your well-being with enjoyable eating experiences. Enjoying this list till now? Well, keep watching because there's a lot more good stuff coming up. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Number 3. Improves your memory. As far-fetched as it may seem, there is evidence that sage can improve memory and information processing, even in people with Alzheimer's disease. While the evidence remains sparse, a review of studies suggested that substances in sage can influence biological mechanisms associated with cognition. According to research, 2 types of phenolic acid found in sage, rosmarinic acid and caffeic acid, have been shown to improve alertness and cognitive skills in mice. 2 studies, one involving 11 people with early Alzheimer's and the other involving 30 reported overall improvements in cognition, as well as a reduction in neuropsychiatric symptoms after using salvia extract. Other studies included in the review consistently showed improvements in short-term memory, alertness, and speed of recall. Improved mood and alertness were also mentioned. Number 4. Reduces hot flashes. Hot flashes and night sweats are common occurrences in women experiencing menopause. A study reported that a 100 mg daily dose of sage oil, delivered in an oral tablet over 8 weeks, reduced the incidence of these and other menopausal symptoms when compared to women who took a placebo. Moreover, it appeared to do so without influencing hormone levels. What this confirms is that while sage may improve symptoms of menopause, it's unlikely to help women with abnormal periods, since the disorders are primarily influenced by hormone levels. Number 5. Supports oral health. Sage has antimicrobial effects which can neutralize microbes that promote dental plaque. In one study, a sage-based mouthwash was shown to effectively kill Streptococcus mutans bacteria, which is notorious for causing dental cavities. In one more study, a sage-based essential oil was shown to kill and halt the spread of Candida albicans, a fungus that may also cause cavities. One review noted that sage may treat throat infections, dental abscesses, infected gums, and mouth ulcers. However, more human research is needed. Number 6. Prevents acne and pimples. As we mentioned in the beginning, sage essential oil is a vital part of commercial creams and lotions. It can help in reducing all kinds of skin problems and ailments. The oil is great for balancing sebum production and helps naturally maintain skin oil levels. This property of the oil helps in preventing acne and pimples. Number 7. Reduces high blood pressure. In clinical studies, sage essential oil has been proven to reduce blood pressure while increasing blood circulation. A significant reduction was observed in both systolic and diastolic readings compared to the control group. The essential oil lowers blood pressure by relaxing and opening up the blood vessels. This cuts down the load on your heart because your blood can be pumped less forcefully when the arteries are relaxed. Diffusing the essential oil is sufficient to bring about the blood pressure lowering effect, so for people with hypertension, this benefit comes without any drugs. Number 8. Helps control cholesterol. With the advent of research into the connection between cholesterol levels and the risk for heart disease and strokes, the number of people who are prescribed medications to control cholesterol levels has risen precipitously. While these medications work to lower types of cholesterol, they also come with their own laundry list of side effects. Doctors continually look to increase the good cholesterol in the body while lowering the bad. Research into essential oils such as sage has revealed an ability to help reduce the amount of harmful cholesterol found in the blood and support the good cholesterol needed for optimum health. Number 9. Relieves insomnia. People suffering from insomnia may find relief with sage oil. It's a natural sedative and can give you a calm and peaceful feeling that's necessary in order to fall asleep. When you can't sleep, you usually awaken feeling unrefreshed, which takes a toll on your ability to function during the day. Insomnia affects not only your energy level and mood, but also your health, work performance, and quality of life. Two major causes of insomnia are stress and hormonal changes. An all-natural essential oil can improve insomnia without drugs by alleviating feelings of stress and anxiety and by balancing hormone levels. A study showed that applying a massage oil including lavender, grapefruit extract, neroli oil, and sage to the skin worked to improve sleep quality in nurses with rotating night shifts. Number 10. Relieves menstrual discomfort. Sage oil works to regulate the menstrual cycle by balancing hormone levels naturally and stimulating the opening of an obstructed system. It has the power to treat symptoms of PMS as well, including bloating, cramps, mood swings, and food cravings. This essential oil is also antispasmodic, meaning it treats spasms and related issues such as muscle cramps, headaches, and stomach aches. It does this by relaxing the nerve impulses that you can't control. An interesting study analyzed the influence that aromatherapy has on women in labor. The study took place over a period of 8 years and involved 8,058 women. The evidence from the study suggests that aromatherapy can be effective in reducing maternal anxiety, fear, and pain during labor. Of the 10 essential oils that were used during childbirth, sage oil and chamomile oil were the most effective in alleviating pain. Number 11. Reduces hair loss. Whether in preventing hair loss or simply maintaining soft hair, sage oil can be a beneficial addition to your hair care routine. There are 2 important compounds in sage essential oil, beta-sitosterol and 5-alpha reductase. These have been linked to helping decrease the hair loss associated with male pattern baldness. A mixture of a few drops of sage essential oil with rosemary and peppermint essential oil and a tablespoon of olive oil can be massaged onto the scalp twice a day in order to reap the benefits of the oil. For hair health, you can prepare a sage-based wash by boiling 1 tablespoon of sage leaves in a cup of water. In addition to maintaining shine in hair, this mixture can also prevent dandruff. Combining sage with rosemary in the same way can also make for the added benefit of stimulated hair growth. Number 12. Loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants help fortify your body's defenses, neutralizing potentially harmful free radicals that are linked to chronic diseases. Sage contains over 160 distinct polyphenols, which are plant-based chemical compounds that act as antioxidants in your body. Chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, rosmarinic acid, ellagic acid, and rutin, all found in sage, are linked to impressive health benefits, such as a lower risk of cancer and improved brain function and memory. One study found that drinking 1 cup or 240 milliliters of sage tea twice daily significantly increased antioxidant defenses. It also lowered both total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol as well as raised good HDL cholesterol. Number 13. Gives you beautiful skin. Want skin that's gorgeous and radiant? Use sage essential oil. It reduces inflammation and skin rashes because of the presence of linalool acetate. Sage oil also balances the production of natural oils in the skin. Apply this oil to your face using a piece of cotton. You could also combine it with almond oil for better results. The best part is that it's suitable for both oily skin and dry skin types. Have you ever used sage oil? How was it helpful for you? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.